Are you ready for GDPR compliance? Ignoring it can be costly. By July 2024, fines over €4.5 billion were imposed for violations. Businesses without a strong compliance plan face serious risks. What is GDPR? It stands for General Data Protection Regulation. This EU law governs how companies handle personal data, ensuring consumer trust. Mastering GDPR compliance protects against fines and attracts privacy-conscious customers. It enhances data management and bolsters your business reputation. Stay competitive. Compliance sets your organization apart and builds trust. Non-compliance can lead to penalties that hurt your profits. Engage your team to start this journey. Ensure everyone understands GDPR's importance. Use GDPR-compliant tools like Hello Bar to simplify data collection. Assess opt-ins. Clear terms help consumers trust your brand. Clean your email list and provide reasons for re-opt-ins. Segment your lists creatively to meet GDPR requirements while reaching customers effectively. Evaluate third-party processes to ensure they align with GDPR. Need certification. Connect with an accredited body for proper audits to validate your GDPR practices. GDPR compliance is ongoing. Continuously adapting policies keeps your business secure and trusted. Together, we can manage data responsibly. Start mastering GDPR compliance today. Take proactive steps to protect your business. Ready to begin? Visit our website today. Don't wait until it's too late.